Good morning, everybody. How you doing? Midway through vacation now. Just leaving Denny's. Somewhere in Miami. Not a fan of down here. A little too busy for my liking. Put me in the bush where I'm happy. It's a nice big engine, eh?
Anybody have green tickets for the airboat?
Check that out. It's actually a pretty cool little stretch. There's tons of these buggers out here. Let me see if I can zoom in on them a little bit. That's kind of cool, eh?
He's looking at you.
He's looking. You don't give a shit.
Yeah. He's probably so used to people.
Yeah, no kidding, eh? As if to let me get that close. Nice little walk in here to this chair, but too bad there's a friggin' shed sitting in the middle of there. Make sure there's nothing down here below us. That's cool. So you get a better look. Love how everything's built down here, but I guess it's for a reason. I guess bad shit happens, but can you imagine my house up on one of those? I'd be in for it. All the parking I'd have. Nice big garage under my house. She rains here. She rains. Woo. We're in a place called Arcadia in Florida still. We just ate at that place back there, China Walk. The ordering system sucks. It's just But look at, it's a double, kind of. And we're good. We're off. Starting our, getting close to the end of the trip here. We're leaving the Economy Inn here in Arcadia, and we're gonna head off to the Freedom Factory. Not getting in, but at least I'll probably get to see the gate anyway. Made it. Too bad she's closed. Actually made it to the friggin' Freedom Factory, man. How awesome is that? It looks like the boys are ripping around down there in their side by side. There we go. Freedom Factory. Yes. Breakfast. Look at that. Yummy. Holy crap, that stuff is filling. Good food though, but man, got me some grits though. That was pretty cool. You don't get that at home. All right, time to hit the highway. We're gonna head up some, it's about 3 hours away, some place, a bunch of springs and stuff, a bunch of water and nice clear springs. So let's hit the road. Of course, when you're down here, you just have to check out nugget shops. Just one of the things you just have to do. Well, that was kind of a bust. We get down there, bit of a dirt drive down this place, like 40 minutes away from where we're going to be staying today. And we get down there, it's like, okay, we're asking, it's like a little park, whatever, state park. It's like, okay, so like what's there to do, where do we go, whatever, right? And well, there's you can do kayaking and stuff. It's like, I'm just not doing any kayaking. And it's okay, and it's like there's a mile hike, okay, and water right there. So like that water, like right there, yeah, well, that's it. Yes, I'll pass. So we're gonna head back to, well, not head back to, we're heading back, we're heading to where we're gonna stay for the night. Checking out the gun. Oh, good morning again. It's Second last day for the trip. This is a dirty little motel. Dirty, it's understocked, it's just terrible. Let's hit the road and get out of here. How's this for a shit show for you? So this morning, we get up, we're thinking we'll go to Walgreens or CVS, go do the free COVID testing thing. Gotta get it done the day before you fly. Well, we go in, and apparently it takes 2 to 3 days to get your quick results, which aren't that quick. So it takes a while to get those results. Now we're starting to panic. We want to get home. They pointed us to some medical place, and that cost us $140 US dollars rather than free, or the $40 at home, which translates to about 180 bucks Canadian. So we just came by this, found another little swap meet here. I'm gonna pull aside here. Okay, give you a bit of a size comparison. Look at the size of this sucker, man. Jeez. Damn it, there's music in the background. Don't want to get dinged by YouTube. I can't even, I'm back so far I can't even get this whole thing in the friggin' screen. Holy man. There's a thumbnail right there. Wow, this is unreal. I think we have finally found like the biggest, shittiest shithole of shitholes ever to be created in Florida. You got what do you call it there? Spider webs up here that aren't even swept. You got friggin', holes in the doors. This is awesome. Look at this bed frame. Isn't that a beauty? They got these right out of the friggin' trash. Wow, I can't wait to get out of here tomorrow. This is horrible. I've always thought of myself as, a guy, I can handle most shit, I can't do this. This is a dirty roach motel. There's roaches everywhere in here, man. I've never been so disgusted in my life. I'm gonna show you who this place is, just so you never stay here. Yeah, man, I'm totally sketched out right now. I'm out. We're gonna we can't book anything now. Everything around the whole area here is like you're looking $300 a night now, and I'm not paying $300 just to sleep for a couple hours. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the car over to the airport, and we're just gonna probably just we might crash out in the airport or in the area. Anything is better than here. There you go. The Budget Inn of Deland. There you go. It's a budget, all right. This is the good part. Believe it or not, that part is condemned. I'm okay with staying in cheap places, but yeah, this just full of roaches, man. Full of freaking roaches. I don't even want to film the damn things. Ugh. What do you think?
Budget. They spelled cockroaches wrong.
How convenient. I think we should send them that phone number so they can clear out their friggin' motel. Okay, so here's the deal. We left that motel about 10 minutes after getting there, and we decided, you know what, it's not worth it. It is currently, God, what time is it? It's like 5 o'clock or something like that. We're at the airport. We just dropped the car off. Our plane does not leave until 10 a.m. tomorrow. We got a lot of time to kill here because every other friggin' place around here, you're looking $300 plus a night. We're only going to be in there for a few hours. Not worth it. That's a huge plane. Go up on it. Too bad they got music playing in the background. Hopefully I don't get any copyright on that one. Maybe if I talk long enough or loud enough, I won't pick it up. Oh, killing time. So out and about outside here. Just That's actually a pretty sexy bike. Let's see if I can get it. Zoom in on that. It's pretty sharp. I'm looking forward to going home, but I will miss it here. I'm outside in a t-shirt, man. You know how long it's been since I've been outside in a t-shirt? And we are done security. Gonna wander around, maybe get a bite to eat, and hurry up and wait. Well, Don, that was a long 13 hours. What do you think?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I'm ready to get out of here and go home. Let's go see some snow. There we go, check this out. I booked a window seat so I can see where we're flying.
Nice view.
Well, you know, we're home. I would have got you some, you know, air shots and whatnot, but, you know, didn't have a window. We're home, it's cold, but it is nice to be back. So now we gotta go get to the Jeep, fill her up, and drive home.